Hello, today I wanted to discuss about how to handle big data. So in here I have a random big file and I want to compare if we use read function or we just read it like this. So we iterate it line by line like this. So we will compare this approach and this. Okay, first I will tell you about how these two section this and this is different. So in here, when we open the file, we will iterate it line by line. So whatever the size of this file, either is 1 gigabyte or 100 gigabyte, we just read the first line in here and then after that we break. But if we using this approach, see, we using read function, so we will read all the file. So if the size of the file is, for example, 100 gigabyte, it will be better and it will be taking a long time to run. And then after that we split it, and then after that we iterate the line like this. So in theory, if we using this approach, the running time will be short if we compare with this. Okay, let's just compare this. So what if we using this? So this is, so the terminal in here in the right, I will use it if we using the approaching read line by line. Okay, let's see. As you can see here, the running time is 0.9 second. We just read one line in the file. Let's see if we using this. And as you can see here, if we using read function, the running time will be longer. It's 3 second point 3. And then usually when you handle a CSV file, there is a more sophisticated way to handle that. That is using pandas. And in pandas there is a function called read CSV. And this read CSV, there is a parameter that is chunk size. So the chunk size in here is like, in the first read we will, for example in here, in the first read we will read 1000 parameter, or no, 1000 row. Okay, let's use that. I will write exit in here, so the rest of the code will be not executed. Let's open new terminal. And as you can see here, it's 0.6. What if we decrease the chunk size to 10? And as you can see here, the running time is getting shorter. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.